Setting up Afterpay for your business is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, log into your Afterpay account. You'll find several options at the top of the screen. First is how it works, second is for retailers, and third is Get the App. If you want to access the app, click on the Get the App button. You can also scroll down to read more details on this page. But to set up your business, click on the second option for Retailers button. When you click that button, it will lead you to a page where you can supercharge sales and get new customers. To set up your business, click on the Get Started button. You'll be redirected to a page where you need to enter your email, confirm that you're not a robot, and click Next. The next window will appear, asking for details about your business. Provide your full name, first name, last name, country, your business name, and website if you have. You can also select your e-commerce platform and provide your total annual sales. If your business is part of a franchise, click Yes, otherwise, click No. Then click Next. Please note that approval may take some time, but once it's done, your business will be set up on Afterpay.